Today I'll show you a website that you can use in order to get paid $50 again and again. It is available worldwide and can be done by a complete beginner. You won't need to invest any money up front, and this isn't about affiliate marketing, so you don't have to promote any products. If you're interested and want to set it up properly, then make sure to follow every single step of this video so you won't miss any important part. And also, if you want to maximize your result, stay tuned until the end. But just before we begin, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. As you can see, I'm now on Fiverr.com, and let me clarify that we'll not be using this platform to get paid. Let's make that clear right away. Since, as you know, Fiverr is competitive and as such we'll not be using it. I want to show you something else, but before we go on, for those of you who haven't heard about Fiverr before, let me elaborate. Fiverr is basically a freelancing platform where you can come and work as a freelancer or as a customer if you need some job done for you. And as you can see, they offer a lot of different services here, from graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, and so on and so forth. With that said though, I'm on Fiverr, as I said before, not because we'll be using it to get paid, but because I want to show you something really important. If you go over to video and animation right here, then you go ahead and select intros and outros. You'll see that there are thousands of freelancers offering their services, and all of them have made a lot of money creating intros and outros. For example, this person here is asking $100 for the basic plan, $200 from the standard one, and $300 from the premium one. And it has over 200 reviews. So if you assume that all of the reviews bought this basic plan, which is also the cheapest one, that means this person has still managed to make over $20,000, and most probably the number is most likely higher for two reasons. As you may know, most of people don't leave a review, so he has managed to get more sales than this, and not everyone goes for the cheapest plan. And this person is not the exception. He is another example. There are over 5,000 of reviews, and the cheapest package costs $20, as you can see here, so much less than the previous example. But if you still do the math and multiply $20 with 5,792 reviews, you'll get more than $115,000, and these are only two of hundreds and thousands of potential examples, and I can show you that you can make a lot of money here. But how can you do so if you don't know how to create an intro and outro? How you can do so if you are a beginner with no skills or previous experience? Well, I have a tool that will literally create an intro for you and will allow you to earn this much money with little to no work at all, so make sure you stay tuned. Before I show you that tool, however, I need you guys to head over to peopleperhour.com. This is another freelancing platform just like Fiverr, but like Fiverr, it doesn't have as much competition. So if you create a gig, you'll only struggle with customers until you get like a couple good reviews at first, and then it's going to get easier from there for you. Another awesome feature is that you can search for people who need an intro done for them. You can do that by just clicking on search here, and then you're going to click on search projects. And on the next page, you just need to search for the job that you are searching. In this case, it's intro and outro. And as you can see, there are a lot of people who want to pay you a lot of money for this service. This is an awesome feature because you won't just create a gig and then sit around doing nothing while you are waiting for your customers. You can actually bid for jobs yourself, which makes people per hour the best alternative to Fiverr. In this case, what you need to do on here is to create an account first by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner here. And only when you create your account, you'll be able to start making money with this site. After creating your account, you'll start creating a gig, and when a customer either reaches out to you or you find them yourself, you want to head over to the site that I mentioned before in this video that will do all of the work for you and will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars. The site in question is called invideo.io. This is a platform where you can create professional videos in 5 minutes, as is said right here. And more importantly for us, you can also create intros and outros, and you have more than 5,000 of templates here. But the reason I'm showing you this site today is because it offers a free trial, as you can see right here. This means that what you can do is to create a gig on people per hour, and when a customer reaches out to you, you'll simply head over to InVideo here, sign up to the free trial, create an intro in a couple of minutes, send it back to your customers and get paid, and then use that money to reinvest into this site so you can use it for the long term. In other words, you don't need to invest any money up front, and this is a great feature. In addition, as you can see, the paid plans here are not that expensive either. The most expensive one will cost you $30 a month and $360 annually. Meanwhile, if you charge like $50 per intro, that means that you just need like 10 customers to make $500, which is already 50 more than what you'll have to invest here. And you'll get more than 10 customers a year, that's for sure. So this site is not that expensive and will allow you for a tiny investment to earn hundreds of dollars without you doing any of the hard work. With all of that said, what you need to do in order to be able to make an intro is to create an account first. So you need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner and then simply enter some of your details. When you log in into your account, this is what you're going to see. To create an intro, what you need to do is to type intro in the search bar here, and then it will show you a lot of different templates that you can use, and you can customize however you prefer, and depending of course on what the customer wants. When you find an intro you like from all of these templates, you can choose one, and then you just need to click on it, and then in order to use it you have to click on use this template here. So now you're going to be taken over to the editor where you can literally customize everything. Here on the left hand side you can change the music, the text, you can add images, videos, you can upload other things that you have from your computer. Then you have different templates here that you can change if you don't like this one, and so on and so forth. So there is literally nothing that you cannot do with this platform. You can even add new scenes and remove the existing ones. So when you're finished and you are satisfied, you just need to click on download and share in the upper right corner and send it over to your customer. Obviously you'll want to invest just a tiny bit more time into this, and thanks to InVideo you're going to be able to create an intro within 15 to 20 minutes, something that will normally take hours, and you can earn hundreds of dollars doing so. And something else I want to mention is that if you want to learn more about how to use InVideo, so I don't have to prolong this video anymore, you can check out their tutorials which you can find up here. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you follow me till the end of it and got every instruction right. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Lady Nemia's World, with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come. Thank you for watching.